You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from anatomy. If you want to learn more medical terms that are confusing, like this one or more, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you can learn from. Caniculus. Now, what's interesting is the plural. This is like a little channel. Caniculus. There are bones and caniculus or caniculi. I've got a video for you that you need to watch if you're wondering about how to say the plural. The singular, English pronunciation, caniculus. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.